didn't make a vlog last week. It was very stressful. It was a fun weekend, but very stressful. First thing that happened, I hit 270,000 on this car. What? Since my car wasn't braking too well, I've decided to fix my brakes at a friend's garage. Front brakes, totally awesome. They were done fairly quickly. The back brakes, however, were quite rusted, and we weren't able to bleed the brakes. We weren't able to put the old brake pads back anymore because they fall apart in my hand. This totally came off, and this was the reason the van wouldn't brake. So what we ended up doing is putting new brake pads in there without bleeding the brakes. What happened is that when I pressed the brake, the pads would squeeze the drum, but it wouldn't release it. So right now, we're trying to repair that. I took amazing shots last week. I'll put them in a video now. Is that I was so frustrated with the brakes. It was cold. It was constantly raining. The weather sucked badly. I wasn't too happy. So let's make this weekend count. I also want to clean the van today while I'm waiting for the spare parts. As you can see, I have tons of crap out here and I need to clean it up.
Jo, aha, ono to čidlo, vlastně jsme ho nezapojovali.
Basically, this was the issue because we could not loosen up the screw and we couldn't bleed the brakes. So this is why I was braking constantly. Now we have to replace this entire part. So we have the new calipers here. They've actually been used before, but they're actually fixed and like new. They're Bosch, even though they're in a Starline box.
Tak teď už nejde vůbec, vole.
No, jsi to dojebal celý. Pojď, to vidíme, vole.
To jste si spíš měli dát špenát, ty vole.
That's what happens when you don't have the correct tools.
Jdeme? 4. A, 1, teď. Zkusím usrat, vole.
Ještě chvilku.
Again, we're driving in a convoy, so we figured walkie-talkies would be the perfect tool to communicate. They're setting up the car right now. We just bought some things here and there. I think we bought chicken for the grill, and we forgot fuel for it. Zapomněli jsme rozpalovák na grill.
Tak někde na nějaký benzínce.
Okay. So we're going to stop at a gas station and still get it. Finally, there's some sun. Ale já ji teď dám nahoru pod skály a zaparkujeme. This filming is harder than it looks. Je tam dost místa? Jo, tak já jedu. We just found a different spot. We tried to camp here, but I couldn't have my door open, so he just found a spot back there. So we'll go check it out. So we found a better spot to camp at. Right over there. The lake is directly right there. No more than 30 seconds walk. It's an amazing, beautiful forest here. I wish it would rain just a tiny bit to get everything wet, and then the green color would be a lot more vivid. It's beautiful weather nonetheless. I have some 52 days left before I actually quit at work, and I'll be on the road full time. The closer the date gets, the more worried I am about finances and everything else. I just had the car repaired, mainly the brakes, and that was actually quite expensive. I didn't really expect that. It was a shock, but not necessarily a surprise because the van is quite rusted, so you know, things do go wrong. I just woke up. It's quite cold, but this is my view and it's 100% worth it. Being on the road is amazing. I have no idea what I would do if I couldn't travel. It makes me appreciate how lucky I am to be able to travel, to have the finances and the freedom to do it. What I'm slowly learning is that I have to appreciate every single moment that I have and be happy for it, because honestly we do not know how long we'll be here. Not dwell on the negatives, but be happy about the positives. Alright, I pretty much ran out of time and it's getting too dark for you to see the photos now and the postcards that I want to give away. I will just flash the photos on screen for you now. Okay, how can you get these photos? The first 10 people that email me their PO box or address will get these. I will send one photo and I will send one postcard. They will be in an envelope labeled to you.